Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 mountain bike hubs. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Mountain Bike DIY Hub. Specifications: number of holes, 32 holes. Axle, boost. Free hub, HG. Position, front plus rear. Braking system, disc brake. Material, aluminum alloy. Category, bearing hub. Type, ratchet hub. Item number 4 is Bearing MTB Mountain Bike Hub. Specifications: brand name, Rijitsu. Position, front plus rear. Braking system, disc brake. Spoke hole, 24. Material, aluminum alloy. Category, bearing hub. As the item number 3 we've selected, Novitec 32H Hole Mtb Hub. Specifications: brand, Novitec. Axle, through. Free hub, MS. Position, front plus rear. Braking system, disc brake. Spoke hole, 29 to 36. Material, steel. Category, bearing hub. Item number 2 is ARC Mountain Bike Hub. Specifications: brand name, ARC. Type, MTB Bike Hubs. Size, 135 mm. Number of holes, 32 holes. Position, front plus rear. Braking system, disc brake. Material, aluminum alloy. Category, bearing hub. Weight, 424 g. Color, black. On the top of our list at number 1 we have GUB 1451 Carbon Fiber Hub. Specifications: brand, GUB. Model, 1451. Position, front plus rear. Braking system, disc brake. Material, carbon fiber. Category, bearing hub. Hub hole number, 32 holes.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.